I've got this rattling, so I got the HBP Handbrake. So I'm kind of drunk, so I got two things is like clean. I got looks like do get clean. So I'm just gonna go and open these banks. So look at that, it's like, I think it was one time I was like right there, I think. Let's see what it is. Look, rattling. So rattling is a kind of like got kinks things like so. Again. I'm gonna fix. I got Kevin. I got stuff, I think. I got tools. I think this is next thing. I forget. Thanks, I think it's all day, thanks. I think next time. Whatever, rest down. Nice down. Close the box. X. This is going. This suspect banks. Okay, cool. I think some of the thing it don't get sprung, but I don't have to put the other one. The first stuff. I'm gonna get the plugin because I'm trying to say you could get things straight to the ring banks. I can explain like if you're site. Using everything like banks. Like sometimes you can plug also using it wrong. So this has to be like something else. Maybe something like you can like verify the handbrake length. Okay, so I can stick things in we can like put in. I'm probably not gonna verify it. I can stick it like that. This is like that handle. But the put in. So I can go and get the other lights. Alright. So like getting like so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things and banks. So basically this is something that explains like here, actually. So we're gonna cut things straight to the online, so we're gonna clog this cable for that. This is the using cable that you can connect things to. Okay, and the cable. And some local things do not have connections, but not everyone does connection. So, okay, don't get strong, so you can close the tension as I said. You go green, and the banks is like a railroad. You see around, so you go. But I can't get the spring. You can go on the banks. You're probably not gonna do it, right? But they don't go on like banks like screens. So they like to not run like between a doing stance, so but you don't get like things like around so you can get right, so you can get to like stance. It seems like I can hardware, this thing's that green including hardware. Can do that. So I need to find a right, so I can start now. How do I install this? Zoom. We're going to this won't. I can't do that. So I can't get the guy that against the site. So I think. Two things. So without stacking anything I don't, I think we'll do this is like now that's like you put the bolt on. I tell you, this is way too big for that. I'm not sure if I can do things. Yeah, I gotta get good things. So since I have like the reactions, I do got the reaction. So I'm just gonna drop down like removing. So don't think some what that's around. Just to get accent, so so this could be what the right explain. So let's put that in place. So I think I won't do a paint the earrings. these I'm not gonna do. But I think I'm gonna do some Handbrake. Okay, then I'm gonna calculate it, but great. Okay, so I just put this in. And put the handle on. So Handbrake in, and I can spin the right side. Right. Alright, so now I got that. Looking at the strong if you want. I like the strong. I'll try. Alright, so now I can put this back. Alright, so I got the Handbrake. So right where I'm gonna go. So I can scan it. Like this. So I can slide it back next time. Yeah, I think the Handbrakes. Oh no. Feels good. Oh, so I can't start the thing. And so I got nothing to your things. Just great. Yeah, I think you're kind of I can't do it. I think this is a diagram, so I can change the rank, you can strength it. I can do that, so I'm not gonna go and connect the spring, because I can't like the spring. So I can change the rank, I get the rank comes on, I can set the using around like something. I guess I have like a thing. But this can I think we can program things to protect things. So if you want like then something like kind of like we can program things like that. What am I doing? Okay. I got something else to Amazon like that. So I'm probably something. So if I'm not going to say, I'm going to try rank. And then strength, and that could be it. Bye bye for now.